All right, guys, thanks for coming to my YouTube channel. I'm going to explain what the qualifications is on getting a VA loan in 2025. A lot of people seen my previous video and wanted to know what the qualifications. I'm going to go over that now. Before I do, please go to my YouTube channel at the Bergerson Method. Like and subscribe. I'm putting out free content every single day. Let's dive into it now. All right, we're going to go over the VA requirements. All right. Really not a lot on hard requirements here. The first one is you got to obtain a COE, which is a certificate of eligibility. I will go over that in a few minutes on what that means. The second one is you got to have a stable income, all right, which is self-explanatory. And then the last one is a minimum credit score of 620. All right, there's no down payment requirement at all. It's 100% financing. All right, so these are very simple requirements. I'm going to let you know exactly what COE means. Certificate of eligibility. What this is basically is a document that the lender is requiring just to show that you are eligible to get a VA loan. All right, it just confirms that you meet all the VA military service requirements to obtain a VA loan. Very simple. It's easy to get. You get that through the lender. What they do is go online. You can go online at the va.gov website, and you can, I guess, click on benefits or something like that, and you should be able to print that out to give to the lender. But it's very easy, very simple requirements to get a VA loan. Like I said, number one is to get a COE. All right. Then you got to have stable income. Then you got to have a minimum score of 620, and you are in there and could get approved for this loan. Like I said, this is a very good loan. Also a requirement, sorry about that, you got to prove that it's your primary residence. Forgot that. You got to prove that's your primary residence, all right? Now, like I said, there's a way where you can actually get a property that is your primary residence and also get some additional income, some rental income. I think I said this in the previous video. You could buy a duplex, triplex, or a quad. You can live in one unit and rent out the other, and that's how you can make it both a primary and an investment property at the same time. So you can, VA loans do qualify for properties that are 2 to 4 units as long as you live in one unit as your primary residence. All right, so there you go. These are requirements for a VA loan.